Ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be redecorating my room for Christmas. Some of you guys might say it's a little too early, but you know, as soon as Halloween ends, it's Christmas time. So I don't have a lot of decorations out right now because the majority of them are still in the attic, but I went to Target today and I got a mini Christmas tree. I'm going to decorate it. I bought ornaments and tiny Christmas lights to go on this tree. And then I have a few other decor stuff to put around my room. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate my baby tree now. So these are the lights. I got them at Target. They're called Starry Lights. And it's in the light bulb color warm white. They're very colorful, as you can tell. And then I bought baby ornaments, also from Target, and they are by the brand Wonder Shop. And it's a 25-piece ornament set. And I wanted to go for kind of a white neutral color, I mean other than the light bulbs, but yeah, there's just some sparkly silver ones, regular silver ones, matte ones, and some rose colors. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start by the lights. So pretty. I love them. So I'm gonna take my Christmas tree. I'm gonna wrap these around them. Okay, so now my lights are on my tree. I don't know if you can see. Hang on. I don't know if you can see a little bit better, but my lights are on my tree now. So now I'm gonna decorate. Okay, so I finally finished my Christmas tree, and this is what it looks like. Hang on, I'm gonna turn off the lights real quick. I think this is literally the cutest thing ever. Now, the next thing I need to do is take down all my fall and Halloween decorations and start replacing them with Christmas decorations. So now I'm basically going to get rid of all of my fall decorations. I don't think I have too many, maybe even like just two things. So yeah, the first thing I am putting up is this fall stone little thing and this pumpkin. And I think that's all. I don't think I have many fall decorations for some reason. I mean, I don't know why, but. So now I'm just going to untangle and get batteries in these spray lights, and I'm going to string them, I think, on my bed. Well, only 3 lights work. So, I think I have other decorations. So the next thing I have are these little snowmen. I actually have 3 of them, and so I'm just going to place them around my makeup and where I do my makeup. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna place them up here. And then I'm going to put this Christmas tree, since my big Christmas tree, well, not really big, but the one I just decorated, that Christmas tree is right there. Okay, so I just put my Christmas tree on my nightstand because I don't really have room on my dresser, and I also have nowhere to put it. So yeah, it's just gonna chill on my nightstand for now. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is change my sheets to Christmas sheets because I kind of have a mess going on behind me right now. So I want to get that cleaned up, and then I want to get my pretty pink Christmas sheets on because those are like the softest sheets in the entire world, and they also have baby snowmen on them, and they're so cute. Okay, so this is my bed. I just have the pink snowman sheets underneath my covers now, so yeah. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it wasn't a lot of stuff, mostly because all of our stuff is up in the attic and we don't usually go into the attic until right after Thanksgiving. So these are just the room decor stuff that I usually do. Usually there is some other stuff that I have, but I just don't have them right now. And plus my lights were broken, which suck. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down your favorite Christmas movie. I'll see you guys next week.